In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add recipients to Docusign in 20 by GPT. Whether you're managing contracts, agreements, or any other type of document that requires a signature, knowing how to add recipients is a crucial step in the process. So let's dive right in and ensure you have all the necessary information to make this process smooth and efficient. We'll begin by navigating to the Docusign website. Simply open your preferred browser and type in the URL docusign.com to head over to the homepage of this top electronic signature and intelligent agreement management platform. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the upper right hand corner where you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Make sure you have those handy to ensure a seamless entry. Having successfully logged into your Docusign account, we'll proceed by heading over to the Docusign homepage. From here, you'll want to find and click on the option labeled Start. This is your gateway to beginning the process of preparing and sending a new document for signature. Selecting Start will lead you to a new interface where you can configure your document settings. Now that you're in the document preparation area, it's time to add recipients who will sign or receive copies of the document. On this page, you should see a button labeled Add Recipient. Clicking this will open up a section where you can enter the recipient's details. You'll need their name and email address, so it's good to have this information ready beforehand. At this stage, you can also specify the role of each recipient. For example, they might be a signer, a carbon copy recipient, or in some other designated role, depending on the nature of your document. Once you have all your recipients listed, verify their information to ensure accuracy. Mistakes in names or email addresses can result in errors or delays in the signing process, so double check to keep things flowing smoothly. If everything looks good, you've successfully added your recipients to Docusign. This method will help you efficiently manage the recipients for your documents, making the signing process hassle-free. Remember, organization and accuracy are key when dealing with important documents. Keep practicing this process, and soon it will become second nature whenever you have documents that require multiple signatures. That wraps up our tutorial for today. We hope this guide has been helpful in navigating the recipient addition process on Docusign. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more instructional content to help ease your digital documentation tasks. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more helpful guides.